Hi guys, good afternoon. It's about 12:30 now and I haven't had the time to record any video so far. This is the first video that I'm recording for the vlog. I woke up in the morning, I don't know, about 8 something, and I was feeling pretty drowsy because I had a bit of a cracked sleep last night. I'm still a bit sleepy, so I'll catch a bit of a nap, but so I felt very reluctant to go to the 9 a.m. gym session that I'd booked, but I went, right? Because that's what they say is the definition of discipline, that you do what you need to do irrespective of how you feel. I mean, thankfully, I was feeling not too lazy, not too lousy, that I managed to hit the gym. Sorry about that, bro. Yeah, so I hit the gym. So 9 to 10 I did a session, then 10 to about 10:20 I did crunches. I'm still keeping the gym very light so far because, like I said, I'm very conscious of my tattoos. So till about 12th of June, when it's a month, till the tattoos have been there on my body, I'll keep it light. After that, I came back. I called my house help. After that, she came even later than that because they have their own schedule. You can't help it, right? I changed the schedule, so it's not her fault. So she came and cleaned the house tomorrow again, and I have 8:30 morning and 10. I have two sessions in the morning tomorrow, and I have a podcast also to record tomorrow. I have to go to Delhi for that. So I've given her a chutti for tomorrow because otherwise I'll come back from gym at 11 something, then she'll clean. I'll get late for the podcast. For tomorrow I've given her a chutti. I'm gonna take a bit of a nap today. I have to visit my mom because she's prepared a bunch of food for me. I like last 2 days I've been eating lunch and brunch outside. Like on Friday or Saturday. Saturday I had fresh from Rupsold, and yesterday I had my brunch because I had hit under 60 at another fine day. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. The target is to go under 60 by the end of this month, and it's seeming very hard because I do get very tired and lousy in case I'm hungry, So if I have to be really famished and not eaten at all to hit the six pack, I don't know if I can do that because I'm not being able to fast at all. I'm eating disciplined, very disciplined. I'm eating some of the most healthiest food I've ever eaten in my life. Like this morning, again, I had chia seeds, which I soaked last night. I had eggs, which is protein. I had atta bread. So I had black tea, right? So I'm eating some really disciplined food. But at the same time, I'm not being able to fast. So I don't know if I'll hit under 60 by the end of the month, which is the target. Let's see. I'll let you guys know. Okay, I'll catch you guys on it. Guys, so I talk to a lot of people about happiness, right? And I'm asking people those 3 questions, which I'm also posting on Author Marwani Insta page, and I'm also posting as a part of my blog. And I find it surprising that a lot of people find very hard to be happy. Comedians even find hard to be happy beyond stand-up. Like most comedians I'm talking to right now, 3 or 4 I've spoken to right now, they say stand-up makes them happy, but beyond stand-up they find everything depressing and sad. If you ask me what makes me happy, I have a whole laundry list, okay? And if you ask me what makes me sad, there are a bunch of things, but the way to run away from sadness is to run towards happiness. You feel happy by doing things. Keep continuously doing things that make you happy, and you go away from sadness, but not doing what, like वो जो गाना है जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 जो दिल ना लगे उसे कह दो bye bye bye. That's life in 1-2 lines of a beautiful Bollywood song. Do shit that makes you happy, right? That's how you escape sadness. Hey guys, I'm fairly irritated right now. I'm just really irritated right now because things are not moving in terms of comedy as fast as I would want, and some of the other bullshit keeps coming in. Like basically the car battery got messed up today, and like Saturday hasn't been working, and I've not been able to drive the car for the last 2-3 days, and I've been like walking to the gym, and it got really hot this morning, and I was not been feeling. I think the heat drained my energy. So I just got the battery replaced now, but there's still an engine sign on the display terminal. And I'd spoken to the service manager the other day. He said आप battery change करा लो तो वो service sign भी चला जाएगा, वो engine sign भी चला जाएगा, because probably because of the battery, because we were told to change the battery and whatever at the time of service. And because the battery wasn't working, some holder that holds the battery, recharges the battery, वो भी खराब हो गया, and that cost me extra. So unnecessary expense for no reason. So I'm not happy about that. I mean, when things get fucked up, right? Like one of the other things get fucked up, then everything accumulates. So I'm not feeling well right now. But I'll manage. I need to make chai. I'll have some chai, and I need to prioritize the actions which are the most effective. That's what I need to do. I need to figure out what's most effective. What are the most effective, what are the most powerful actions I could take, which will yield the fastest, most effective results. That's what I need to work on. Because I've been doing a lot of shit for the last 6 months, but in terms of output, I'm not very happy. Although I've lost about 10 kgs in terms of weight. I need to go under 60 this month. If I manage to do that, I'll be satisfied to some extent that at least I've fixed my health, because I was 71.4 around December last year. Okay, I need to talk to myself right now. Okay, catch you.
देखिए, मोहब्बत से बात कीजिए, मोहब्बत से बात कीजिए तो निभाता बहुत हूँ। मोहब्बत से बात कीजिए तो निभाता बहुत हूँ। और हल्के में मत लीजिएगा। मोहब्बत से बात कीजिए, निभाता बहुत हूँ मैं, पर हल्के में ना लीजिएगा, लड़ाका बहुत हूँ। Hey guys, it's almost midnight and I'm in the market. I did a bit of a walk after the show, and then I had chai at Chai House. I don't allow myself chai outside these days because very few people can make chai I like, which is very less sugar, very less milk, but Chai House does. So they have a set menu for my chai, which they don't go away from, so I allow myself chai choice. I walked a bit, although it's really hot still, but since I spent most of my day home because of the heat, I did have this intense need to be out for a while. So I've been out for a while, walking and having chai, talking, doing some shairi here. I know what I do. I hit the gym in the morning today. Tomorrow also I'm hitting the gym in the morning, because I have a podcast scheduled in the afternoon with a guy in Kirtinagar. So yeah, that'll be out. Let's see how it goes. I'm excited about that. Nikhil, that's his name. Hi Nikhil, I know you'll watch this. Cool, so I'm excited about that, and the day was good and bad. I was frustrated in the afternoon about a bunch of things, but then I gained my composure back because I kicked ass on stage for like 15-20 minutes. That revives me usually. So I'm feeling fine now. Feeling fine. Alright, good night guys, bye, thank you.